Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class I am going to explain about divisions of decimals. Here how to solve the divisions. Take the decimal number and divide with divisor. So forget about decimal and divide as usually what you know in previous you done no. Similarly you do divisions as usually. Forget about decimal. You will get result. In that result place the decimal, count the decimals in dividend, and same number of decimals you have to place in this answer. Here you forget about decimal. Here see I am not taking decimal here. Of course here decimal is there, but I am not taking decimal. Just to do division, ignore the decimal and forget about decimal and do the division as usually what you do in previous. You will get answer. Quotient you will get now. In that quotient you place decimal now. In dividend how many digits decimals are there? Same number of decimals you have to place from right to left. Count from right to left and place the decimal. In case if you take some zeros at the end, we can take zeros at the end of the decimals. We can take some zeros if you need. For example, here 0.2 is there. When you are dividing, you get remainder 4, not getting remainder 0. So then you take one more 0, take down. Here no 0, no. You can take 0. After decimals, you can write any time. After decimals, any time you can write zeros whenever you want. If you want, you can write zeros. Many zeros you can write. How many zeros you want? You can write zeros at the end of the decimals. After decimal, at the end of the decimals, you can write so many zeros you can if you want. Here 1 0 is required here. See decimal remainder 4 you got. Now take down one more decimal. One more decimal here. No decimal. There is no extra decimal. So when there is no decimal, what you can take 0. So what is the meaning of this? After decimal you can write many zeros. As many zeros you can required. So here 1 0 is required. See, take down 0. So you'll get a result. Now in the answer, in the question, count the decimals now. Here only one digit is there in the dividend, but don't count only one digit. You should count if you take 0, that 0 also you count in the decimals and write place the decimal in the answer. Here only one decimal is there, but you are taking extra 1 0 for making 0 remainder. Until you get remainder 0, you go on take zeros if you want. How many zeros you are taking? Those zeros also you have to count in decimals. Yes, 0 also count in decimals. So then answer is 43.15. Here before 2 is in the answer quotient is 43.15. 4315 you got answer actually, but here only one decimal, no, don't take only one decimal in the answer, take two decimals because you are taking 1 0. 0 also you have to count. If you take 0, you have to count that how many zeros you are taking in the decimals, those zeros also you have to count in the decimals. Now place two decimals. Now here place answer two decimals. Similarly, one more example I want to explain. Here see 4.53 is there given, divide with 8. Now I am dividing with 8. Similarly, forget about decimal. I said no, forget about decimal and do as usually what you do in previous. So forget about decimal, ignore decimal and do in 45. 45 how many times? 5 times. 8 5 is 40. Now 5 remainder. Now take down 3. Then 5 6 8 8 6 48. 8 6 48. Now remainder 5. Now no decimal there to take down. In case no decimal, then you can take zeros. As many zeros you want, you can take zeros. After decimal, at the end of the decimal, you can take many zeros if you required. Here, no decimal, take down 0. You can take 0. You can write 0 and take down. Now, In the 50, how many times? 8 6 ja 48 again. Now 2 remainder. Now again not getting 0 remainder. You can take one more 0, take down. Here see no zeros, you can place, if you want you can take at the end of the decimals many zeros you can write if you want. Here and I want one more 0 to take down. Yes, take down. Now 20, 8 2 ja 16. 4 remainder, 4 you are not getting remainder 0. So you take one more 0, one more decimal take down. So here no decimal, now you take 0. That means you should write the 0 here and take down. Now 8 5 ja 40. Now you finally got remainder 0. Then how many zeros you are taking excess after decimal? 3 zeros you are taking excess. After decimal 3 zeros you are taking. 3 zeros you are taking down. That means at the end of the decimals you can take as many zeros if you want require. As per required you can take zeros. So and finally got a answer, remainder is 0. Now until you get remainder 0 you go on take decimals, zeros. Now finally count in answer. This is the answer. Don't count only 2 decimals in the dividend. Answer, don't count only 2 decimals. You have to count the zeros also. Total how many decimals in this dividend? 5 decimals. Then you have to place 5 decimals before point. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 decimals before you have to place the point. You have to, if you take zeros, you should count zeros also in decimals in the dividend, and in answer also same number of decimals you have to place. Such a way you can solve the decimals. Thank you.